Today's focus is a short sun flow, and it does draw its inspiration from the more traditional sun salutations, but you're going to notice that I've switched it up a little bit. It makes a great warm-up or cool-down before class or before any form of exercise, and it's going to target all areas of your body. So we're going to begin standing, so come to the top of the mat and I'll meet you there. So just coming to the top of your mat, make sure your feet are about hip distance apart. We're going to find a little bit of length through the spine. Roll your shoulders down your back and let your palms face forward. You're going to tuck your chin, close the eyes, and let's just take 3 big grounding breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. On your next inhale, go ahead, float your arms all the way up and overhead. And then exhale it. We're going to come right on down into a forward fold. Generous bend through the knees. Let your head hang heavy. Hold for a moment. And then walk onto fingertips around to your left side. Keep bending through the left knee, but start to straighten your right leg. And you'll feel this down the back of the right leg, across the back of the right hip. Hold for a few moments. And then we'll walk it onto fingertip around to the outside, this time bending through the right knee and lengthening through the left leg. And back into center. Generous bend through the knees and slowly rise all the way back up. Arms extend and draw your palms down to heart center. Breathe in here and out. And let's flow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, full fold. Plant your hands down, send your right knee back behind you. You're going to drop your right knee to the mat and rise into your low lunge. Lengthening through the spine, reach for the ceiling, and gentle core engagement. Just begin to draw your navel towards your spine. Take another breath in. And then just fold hands down to the mat. Send your left knee to meet your right and then send your seat down to your heels. Child's pose. Take a breath. Draw yourself up to tabletop. Send your right foot to the top of the mat. We're rising up again into our low lunge. Long spine, shoulders gently gliding down the back. Couple of breaths. And then bringing your hands down, framing your right foot, lift your left knee, and then step your left foot to the top of the mat. We're in our forward fold, half fold, full fold, and rise all the way back up to standing. And draw your palms down to heart center. Same thing on the other side. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, full fold, hands planting down. We'll send our left knee out behind us. Let your knee ground and then rise on up. Find your low lunge, shoulders gliding down the back. Take a breath. And then we'll bring our hands down and send your right knee back to meet your left. Seat to your heels, child pose. Hold here. Draw yourself back up, tabletop. Left foot to the top of the mat, rise, low lunge. Settle. Reach a little, and then fold hands to the mat. We're going to lift our right knee, step our right foot to the top of the mat. Find your forward fold, half fold, full fold, and rise. Big breath. Draw down. So let's start to add on this. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Half fold. Full fold. Plant your hands down onto fingertips. We're going to send our right leg out behind us, big toe down to the mat, and we're coming into a runner's lunge. So lift it up onto fingertips. Lift through the crown of the head, lift your heart, hold here. One more breath. Plant your hands. Step your left foot back to meet your right. Come into a plank pose. From here, drop your knees, supported plank. Hug your elbows in and slowly lower all the way down onto your belly. Hands will stay in place. Hug your elbows, come up, cobra. Come down. Tuck your toes. We're going to press up into our downward facing dog, but remember you can always come through tabletop if you prefer. Hold your down dog. Inhale, extend your right leg. Exhale, draw your right knee forward, slow and controlled, and step your right foot down. We'll transfer this back into a runner's lunge, so up onto fingertips. Lengthen through the crown of the head, lift your heart. Keep breathing. Then plant your fingertips. Send your left foot to the top of the mat and find forward fold. Half fold. Full fold, and we'll rise, big breath. Draw down. Other side, inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, full fold. Runner's lunge, left leg out behind you. Ground the foot. Rise onto fingertips. Lift through your heart, lift through the crown of the head, hold. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Again, inhale. Exhale, plant your fingertips. Step your right foot back, plank pose. Drop your knees, big breath in. Exhale, hug your elbows, come all the way down onto your belly. Slowly rise, cobra. And down. Make your way into downward facing dog. However you like to get there. Hold. Inhale, left leg out behind you. Exhale, draw your left knee forward, slow and controlled. Left foot's going to plant down, and we're going to transfer that into our runner's lunge. So up onto fingertips, lift through the heart, lift through the crown of the head. Hold for a couple of breaths. Plant your fingertips. Send your right foot to the top of the mat, forward fold. Half fold. Full fold. Rise all the way up. Palms together, draw them down. Take a deep breath here. Inhale, reach. Exhale, draw down. One more sequence. Inhale, reach. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, full fold. Onto fingertips. Send your right leg out behind you. Find that runner's lunge once again. And from here, pressing through your front foot, engage your core. And rise all the way up. Find high lunge. Settle. Shoulders softening down your back. Finding your breath. Inhale, you'll find a little bit of length and then you're going to fold it forward, hands down, step it back, plank pose. Hold your plank. Know that you can drop your knees here and lower to come to cobra, or if you'd like to, you're going to rock the weight forward slightly. Hug the elbows in, strong core. We'll come halfway down, flip your feet, and then come up for your up dog. Deep breaths. Flipping your feet. Transferring into your downward facing dog. Press back. Hold. Inhale, right leg extends. Exhale, slowly bring that right knee forward, nice and controlled. Step your right foot down. Find yourself in your runner's lunge. Take a moment. And when you're ready, rise up for your high lunge and settle. Inhale to find a little bit of length. And then exhale, step it forward, forward fold, half fold, full fold, and rise. Draw down. Last side, inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Half fold. Full fold. Hands will plant down. Left leg will extend out behind us. We'll find ourselves in our runner's lunge. Take a moment. Make sure your core is engaged. Rise all the way up. Find your high lunge and settle. Take a couple of breaths. Find a little bit of length. Fold it forward. Step it back. Plank pose. Remember, there's modifications here by dropping the knees and coming through cobra or rocking it forward. Elbows hugging in close. We'll come halfway. We'll flip our feet and we'll come up for up dog. Deep breaths. Then flipping the feet once again and sending your seat up and back, down dog. One more breath here. Inhale, left leg out behind you. Exhale, slow and controlled. That left knee comes forward. Your left foot will plant down. Find yourself into your runner's lunge. When you're ready, rise, high lunge. And settle. Find some length on your next inhale. And exhale, let's step it forward into our forward fold, our half fold, our full fold, and rise. Draw down. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Long, slow breaths. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Draw your hands down. Palms together at heart center. You can close the eyes if you would like to. And just take a moment to enjoy all that energy you've got flowing through your body. Take a moment, soak up the benefits from your practice. And when you're ready, enjoy the rest of your day. So from me here at Living Lotus Yoga, thank you so much for stopping by today. Namaste.